Hi students, welcome to online class. So in the last video we discussed about the dictionary, how to access all the elements in the dictionary, how to access the individual element in the dictionary, like that we discussed. So now we are going to see the last topic in the dictionary, how to delete all the elements from the dictionary. So element means here you can delete the individual element, or else you can delete all the elements in the dictionary, or else you can remove the dictionary. So like that we can do the three types of operations. One is you can delete a particular element alone. Another thing, you can delete the whole dictionary, or else you can clear the elements in the dictionary. So we can see one by one. So in Python dictionary, del keyword is used to delete a particular element. So if you want to delete one particular element, so you can use the keyword called del. So using that keyword, and then you can use the particular element key. So using the del keyword, we want to specify the key of that particular value. So then automatically the that element will be removed from the dictionary, particular element alone. Then we can use the clear function to delete all the elements in the dictionary. If you want to delete all the elements, all the values, then you can use clear function. If I go for removing the dictionary, removing means not only deleting the elements, so we are going to remove the dictionary. So for that we want to use the del keyword with the dictionary name. So if I use the del keyword with the key, I can delete only one element. If I use the keyword del with the dictionary name, instead of key, if I give the dictionary name, the entire dictionary will be removed from the memory. We can say like that. Right. Now we can see the syntax and examples one by one. So what is the syntax for deleting a particular element? So to delete a particular element in the dictionary, so del dictionary name, here you see in the square bracket we are specifying the key. So now what will happen? The del keyword will delete the key. Key means it deletes the key as well as the element. It deletes the key as well as the value from the dictionary, from the particular dictionary. So it is going to delete only one element. Right. How to delete all the elements in the dictionary? So whenever you use to delete all the elements, we are not going to delete the dictionary, we are going to delete only the elements. So at that time you can use clear function. We can use clear function, dictionary underscore name dot clear. Dictionary underscore name dot clear. If I want to delete the entire dictionary means I am going to delete the elements as well as the dictionary also. So simply we use del keyword with the dictionary name. Simply we use the del keyword with the dictionary name. So automatically the elements as well as the dictionary will be removed from the memory. Right. Let's see the examples one by one. So first we are going to see the example. Dict roll number 12001, then student name Meena, mark 1 98, mark 2 86. So before deletion I am going to print. So before starting the deletion process, if I print the output, so now what will happen? So for example I am just copying this. So before deleting I am using the ideally Python I am going for script mode. So Control plus V. So this is deletion operation. I am going to store it in programs folder. So save deletion operation. So if I press F5, so here what is the error? So double quotes is the error. So double quotes is not yet clear. Like here also double quotes. So control plus S. So when I press F5, so the dictionary elements before deletion. So without deleting any element, I am just printing roll number 12001, student name Meena, mark 1 98, mark 2 86, before deleting any element. But now in the next thing, I am going to delete one particular element. I am going to delete one particular element. What is the element I am going to delete? I am going to delete the mark 1. I am going to delete the mark 1. Now you see what is mark 1 98. So I am going to delete that. So dictionary after deleting a particular element. So I am just copying this, going for a program. So here I am going to paste. So dictionary elements after deletion of a element. So what I have deleted? Delete. Del keyword is used. Using the del keyword, I have given what I have given, mark 1 del dict mark 1. So I have given like that. So automatically del dict mark 1. So particular element will be removed here. Now you see. So control plus S, when I press F5. So now what is the output here? Before deletion, roll number, student name, Meena is there, and then mark 1, mark 2. But here after deletion, so what happens here? Mark 1 is not deleted. Not deleted, but I have not yet used the print function. See here print. Sorry. I have done a mistake. Print function should be used below. I have used above. Right? So when I press F5, see here, first I have printed the first I have assigned all the values, then dictionary elements before deletion I have given. Dictionary elements before deletion I have given. Then I want to delete the element, then only I should use the print function. So now when I press F5, so now what happens you see. So first of all, roll number 12001, student name Meena, mark 1, mark 2, everything is printed. Then here you see I have used the del keyword, and then I have deleted the particular element. Now I am printing the dictionary. Now what will happen? Except mark 1, all the other details are printed on the screen. Can you understand, students? First I have given the print function, then I have used the del keyword. So that's why the output is not yet shown in a correct manner. But now I have changed the statement. So first of all I want to delete the element, then only I should print the dictionary. Right. Now we can see the next example. I am going to clear the entire dictionary. Clear the entire dictionary means I am going to delete all the elements. I am going to delete all the elements. So entire dictionary. So entire dictionary means I am going to clear only the elements alone. The dictionary will be as it is. So see here. So print dictionary after deletion of all elements. Right? I am going to print this particular line. Then I am going to clear. After clearing, I am printing again. Now you see after control plus S, when I press F5. Now can you see this? So here first roll number, student name, mark 1, mark 2, everything is printed. Then mark 1 is deleted. Then I have shown you after deletion of all the elements. Here after deletion of all elements, what happens here? Curly braces is printed. So only curly braces alone is printed. Only curly braces. For example, you can take this print function. This is not necessary. Here we can give like this. Dictionary elements, dictionary all elements has been removed. Now you see, when I press F5, instead of this I can close this, Control plus S, F5. Now you can see here, dictionary, all elements has been removed. So only curly braces alone is shown here. Only curly braces alone is shown here. So this is about clear function. Then if I use the del keyword, deleting the entire dictionary. Very simple. So you want to go to the program. So just use the del dict. Del dict. Then if I use the print. If I use the print function, if I print the dictionary, it shows error. So at last it shows error. Why? Because here I have cleared the dictionary. Then here I have deleted the entire dictionary. After deleting, if I use the print function, then it shows error. After deleting the entire dictionary, if I use the print dict, here it shows what is the error? It shows name error. Dict is not defined. Can you see, students? Name error, dict is not defined. Like that it is showing. Right. I think you might have understood this in a practical manner. So there is no doubt in it. Right. You can see the last topic in this lesson. With this, the lesson 9 is over. I think it is the very biggest lesson for you. So more than 20 videos, nearly 20 videos you have for this particular lesson alone. So keep it in mind, very important lesson. Many 5 mark questions are there. So try to study in a well-to-do manner. Right. Difference between list and dictionary. So this is a very simple thing. You know very well about list and dictionary. So list means it's an ordered set of elements. That is the main thing. List is an ordered set of elements. But dictionary is not like that. Dictionary is not like that. But it is a data structure that is used for matching one element that is key with another value. So there will be one value, and then for that value there will be a key. So that is the thing which is available in dictionary. But list is an ordered set of elements. For example, if I give 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 like that, it goes in an ordered manner. It will be in an ordered manner. Then here the index values can be used to access the particular element. So already we studied in the list as well as tuples. We can access each and every element in the list and a tuple through its index. So that's what we have studied, positive index, negative index, like that. But in dictionary, key represents the index. Key represents the index. Remember that key may be a number of string. Key may be a number of string. Right, then lists are used to look up a value. Lists are used to look up a value, whereas a dictionary is used to take one value and look up another value. So here there will be only one value for lookup, for seeing, but here one value is taken and another value is used for seeing. Right? Can you understand, students? It's a 3 mark or a 2 mark question. Difference between list and dictionary. Right. Up to this, chapter 9 is over. So let's end the class. I already told you chapter 9 is very important. So try to study all the topics. Revise all the topics. So next week you can see the chapter 10. You can receive the chapter 10 videos. So let's end the class. So thank you, students.